Good morning, students. Come to the class 2, that is P1 first PUC, class number 2. In the last class, we have discussed regarding the introduction of the class, introduction of the trigonometry functions, and some in that one first chapter or first bit, measurements of an angle, so we have started conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian we have started in the previous class. Some examples we have converted here. So I recall the students here, convert degree to radian and radian to degree. To convert degree to radian, multiply by pi by 180, conversion of degree to radian. If it is in terms of a degree, you have to convert in terms of a radian, you have to multiply by pi by 180. And if it is supposed to be a radian, so in the last class we have calculated some examples on degree to radian, some examples we have calculated, and some fraction angles also we have calculated. You know how we have calculated. And radian, conversion of radian to degree, multiply the given angle, if it is in terms of a radian, to get in terms of a degree, you have to multiply by 180 by pi. You have to multiply by 180 by pi. If it is in terms of a degree, you have to convert in terms of a radian. You have to multiply by pi by 180. Radian to degree, degree to radian. These two important note. You should remember while conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. See the students, one examples on this type of examples every time. And 1 marks questions are very, very, very important to get 100 marks, to get out of out. And in mathematics subject, it is very easy to get 100 marks, very easy to score the 100 marks in mathematics. So, and that part A, part B, part C in the question paper, there are 6 parts are there, A, B, C, D, E, up to like that. They have the parts are there. We will discuss later regarding the question paper pattern. And in the part A, you have 10 questions and there is no extra questions. You have to solve all the 10 questions. In that one question will be asked, one simple example will be asked, either conversion of degree to radian and radian to degree. Afterwards, I will discuss regarding the question paper pattern, such an examples. Convert 240 degree in terms of radian. Convert 4 pi by 3 in terms of degree. Radian in terms of degrees. Just these type of examples we have discussed in the previous class. Now this type of examples we have to discuss now. Let us already some examples we have discussed and some fraction angles also we have discussed. I will discuss one more fraction angle, conversion of degree to radian. Now see the students, convert, come to the next example, convert minus 47 degree 30 minute, minus 47 degree 30 minute into, it is in terms of degree. You have to convert in terms of radians. These 2 points here I have written. Convert any angle. If it is measured in terms of a degree, you have to convert in terms of radian. You have to multiply by pi by 180. If it is in terms of radian, to convert in terms of a degree, you have to multiply by 180 by pi. Let us see this one. The question is what here? Minus 47 degree 30 minute, you have to convert in terms of a radian. I have discussed in the previous example, if it is supposed to be fraction angle, you should convert in terms of a whole angle, in terms of a degree. Their fraction minutes and seconds also is there. If it is a fraction, you have to convert in terms of a degree. It is converting in terms of a radian to degree and degree to radian. If it is a fraction angle, you should convert in terms of radians here. Now see the students, here first that fraction minute, converting in terms of a degree, you know, I recall once again, the amount of revolution of 1 or 3/60th part is read as a 1 degree. What? The amount of revolution of 1 or 3/60th part is read as a 1 degree. Again in 1 degree is divided into equal 60 parts. Each part is called as a minutes. Again in 1 minute is divided into equal 60 parts called as a seconds. Degree are denoted by like that. Radians are denoted by like that. Degree, in 1 degree there are 60 parts is known as minutes, 60 minutes. The minutes are denoted by like that. And in 1 minute, you know very well, 60 seconds divided and seconds are denoted by like that. So now like that you have to convert seconds to minutes, minutes to degree, and that whole degree, quantity of that whole degree, you have to convert it in terms of a radian. So it is supposed to be 30 minutes, you know, 30 minutes, half degree, you know very well, half degree, clear all of you, half degree. See how it is, 60 parts, 1/2 it is, conversion of minutes to degree. If it is supposed to be seconds, convert that second in terms of minute, combine with minute, that whole minute convert in terms of degree. Now how much you get? Half degree. So therefore your problem becomes what? Minus 47 degree, 30 minutes becomes whatever it may be, either negative angle or positive angle. It is rotated in terms of a clockwise. You know, anti-clockwise direction is measured as a positive angle, clockwise direction is measured as a negative angle. It is a clockwise direction rotation. It is how much? 30 minutes you get it? Half degree. So combine this whole degree in terms of a radians. Now it can be written as 47.5. It can be written as, say how much it is? 95/2 degree. Shall I write it? 95/2 degree it is. 2 into 47, 94. 94 plus 1. It can be written as a 95/2 degree it is. Now convert this in terms of, see this is your given question, how much it becomes? 95/2 degree it is. Conversion of this degree to whatever it may be, negativities, you take negative sign, negativities, 95/2. Conversion of degree to radian, multiplying by pi by 180. If it is possible, simplify it. If it is not possible, you can remain as it is. Here possibilities here, possibilities here. Yes, see, yes, here it is possibilities here. Simplifying here. See, 5 3s are 15. 3 remains 36. 5 1s are 5. 5 9s are 95. Is there any possibilities? No possibilities. How much it is? Minus 19 pi by, minus of 19 pi by 72 radians. This is your answer. Minus 19 pi by 72 radians. So this is the conversion of a degree to radian, student. This is the conversion of degree to radian. Such angles supposed to be, if it is in terms of a seconds also, that seconds converting in terms of minutes, and that minutes here combining like that here. What type of here you have combined? Like that, combining in the minutes, and that minute converting in terms of a degree, like that you have to convert it. So this is about the conversion of degree to radian. Some examples of this degree measurements I will give the homework also, the students here. Let us see afterwards, I will give the homework also, conversion of a degree to radian. Such examples we may calculate it. Now come to now I will go to the radian to degree measure. Radian to degree measure. Let us see the sum radian to degree measure here. Now see the convert 2 pi by 3 radian into degree measure. See the question. What is the question, student? Convert 2 pi by 3 radian into degree measure. If he may not be give, only he may give 2 pi by 3 also. Only he may give 2 pi by 3 also. So 2 pi by 3 means you think that it is in terms of radians. Now see the student, very simple question it is, and one marks question definitely, either in terms of radian or in terms of a degree he may give. He may give in terms of degree, he will ask in terms of radian. He may give in terms of radian, he may ask to convert in terms of a degree. Your question is 2 pi by 3 radian it is. Conversion of 2 pi by 3, you know, radian to degree, multiply the given angle by 180 by pi, you will get in terms of degree. Radian to degree, this pi and pi get cancelled, student. 3 6 18, this 0 as it is. How much it is? 2 into 60, 120 degree. This is the conversion of radian to degree, is the conversion of radian to degree. How much it becomes, student? 2 pi by 3 radian becomes 120 degree. 2 pi by 3 radian, it becomes 120 degree. Like that, conversion of such and simple examples he will ask in the examination, and it is in the part A, very important for the point of examination. 1 marks questions are important to score a maximum marks, 100 marks, to get out of 100 marks. Yes, very simple questions it is. So you should remember these 2 points, student. This is the point number 1, this is point number 2. You should remember. You may convert using this, you may convert any angles either in terms of degree or in terms of a radian. So this is the 2 ways, the conversion of degree to radian and radian to degree. Now see the student, the next one. Yes, next one. I will go for the next example. Convert the following into degree measure. Convert the following into degree measure. 4 pi by 3, pi by 5, 4 pi by 3, pi by 5, and 2 pi by 6, or 2 pi by 3, it becomes 2 pi by 6, 2 pi by 5, 3 pi by 5, fourth one is 7 pi by 6. Let us, we will convert these 4 example students. Very simple. Many times these questions are also, this one also many times, this one also asked in the examination, your annual examination for 1 marks. See the one by one we will convert the students here. 4 pi by 3. This is your question here. Solution. You know, to convert radian to degree, here I will take like that radian notation. To convert 4 pi by 3, to convert radian to degree, multiply the given angle by 180 by pi, you will get in terms of a degree. See this pi and pi get cancelled. 3 6 18, 0 as it is. 4 into 60 degree, how much it is? 240 degree. So the radian measure of this 4 pi by 3 angle becomes 240 degree. See the 1 marks question it is, students. Very simple questions. Let us see second one also I will calculate. Pi by 5 is equal to, I have told in the definition of a radian measure, while in the definition of a radian measure, to convert radian to degree measure, so you have to multiply by 180 by pi. Now see the students, pi by 5, conversion of this pi by 5 into degree measure, pi by 5 into 180 by pi, directly here I have taken the students here. In terms of a degree it is multiply by 180 by pi. This pi and pi get cancelled. See how much it is? Pi by 5 radian, 180 by 5. See the students, 180 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 3 is 18. Next, how much remains? 3 remains. 18 it is, 15 it is, 5 3 is 15. So 3 remains, 5 6 ja. So how much it is? Pi by 5 is equal to 36 degree. This is a second example. It is the second example, student. Second one it is. Let us come to the third example. Third example, that is 3 pi by 5. We'll go for the 3 pi by 5. See the students. 3 pi by 5. Conversion of 3 pi by 5. To convert radian to degree, multiply the given angle by 180 by pi. That is, pi and pi get cancelled. 5 3 is 15, 3 remains, 36 it is. 3 into 36, 108 degree. 108 degree it is. 3 pi by 5 becomes 3 pi by 5, 108 radian. See the students, very simple it is. Very simple conversion of degree to radian and degree to radian to degree. Very simple, student. Now next, fourth one. 3 pi by 5 completed just. 7 pi by 6. See the student, conversion of 7 pi by radian in terms of degree to multiply the given angle by 180 by pi. You get in terms of a degree. Conversion of radian to degree. Degree to radian. You have multiplied by pi by 180. Pi 7 pi by 6. Pi and pi get cancelled. 6 3 is 18. 30 it becomes 7 into 3. 710. So this is the measurement of 7 pi by 6 in terms of degree measure is 210 degree. Like that you may convert the radian to degree, student. Like that you may convert the radian to degree. Very simple type it is. Very simple, the students here. Like that you may have to convert the radian to degree. So this is about the conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian, student here. So like that you should convert the given example. Either it may be degree or it may be radian. Conversion of degree to radian. If you remember these 2 points, conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian, if you remember these 2 important points, you may convert any angles. And we have already converted such fraction angles also, students. You know this fraction angles also we have converted. Now let us see the students. Let us will go for some more examples and we will convert in terms of a degree measure, same type. Convert the following into degree measure. Convert the following into degree measure. See some examples converting the degree measure in terms of 5 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3, pi by 8, pi by 8. Let us take in terms of radian their measurements. 5 pi by 8, pi by 8, 5 pi by 3, 11 by 16. Now see, we will come to fraction radians. As we have in terms of fraction degrees, we have converted that minutes in terms of degree, like that. So 11 by 16 in terms of degree, -4 radian. Let us see the students, these 4 examples. Let us will go for one by one. First one, 5 pi by 3 radian. Conversion of 5 pi by 3. To convert radian to degree, multiply the given angle by 180 by pi, you will get in terms of a degree. This pi and pi get cancelled. 3 6 is 18. So how much it remains? 5 into 6, 300 degree. Conversion of 5 pi by 3 is 5 pi by 3 radian in terms of a degree is 300 degree. Come to students, next example, pi by 8. See the pi by 8 it is. To convert pi by 8 in terms of a degree, multiply the given angle by 180 by pi. 180 by pi. See, pi and pi get cancelled. See, by 4 2 is 8, 4 4 is 16, 2 remains, 4 5 is 20. So 45 by 2 it is, degree it is. You have to convert in terms of a radian. See how to convert it is. Fraction you will get it. Pi by 8. See, 45 by 2 it becomes 22.5 degree. Are you read like that 22.5 degree? Is it possible to measure 22.5 degree? Is it possible to measure, student? No, it is not possible to measure. That 0.5 degree you have to convert in terms of a minutes and seconds. Is it clear, the students? Yes, 0.5 degree. You can't measure like that 22.5. Yes, you may have to convert in terms of a minutes and in terms of a degrees. You in the decimal you can't measure the angles. Clear, the students here? So now it is pi by 8 radian. How much you get? 22.5. You have to convert this 0.5 in terms of minutes and seconds. 0.5 degree. To convert 0.5 in terms of a multiplying here, you will get in terms of minutes. If it is against fraction minute, then converting in terms of seconds. Let us multiply this one. 5 into 6, 30. This 10 as it is. How many decimal point? Only 1 point. So is it exactly 30? Yes, exactly. You know, 0.5, 30 minutes. Yes, half of the degree, 30 minutes. Is it clear? So how much you get, the students here? 0.5 degree means how much you get? 30 minutes. So therefore, how much it becomes? 22.5. How much it becomes? 22.5 degree. How much it becomes? 22 degree. This 0.5, how much it is? 30 seconds. Like that you have converted now. The same angles, such measurements you have converted in terms of a radian now. Like that this is the radian, pi by 8. That you get in terms of a fraction, that converting in terms of a minutes. And if it is possible, supposed to be, if you are not a fraction, it is some more digit it is instead of 0. If you have another digit, then that also you have to convert in terms of a, like that you have to convert in terms of a seconds, again by multiplying by 60. So this is the second problem, student. I hope you are getting, the students. Yes, 22 degree 30 minutes. So this is what? Pi by 8 radian. Let us see the next, student. Let us see the next. We will go for the next one. I think you have completed. Yes. See the students. Here these 2 points I write here. Pi by 180 multiplication. Radian 180 by pi. So these two are the important points here. Conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. I think you have completed the second one. I come to the third one here, student. See the third one. 1 by 16. As you have calculated just pi by 18, you will get in terms of a fraction. Let us see this also. Fraction it is. 11 by 16. Conversion of radian to degree. 180 by pi. Multiplying by 180 by pi. You have to multiply it 180 by pi. See the students. 11 by 16. 180 pi has taken as a 22 by 7. Pi has taken as a 22 by 7. In terms of degree, it is simplifying 180 by 22. This 7 goes to the numerator, student. Now see the simplification. 11 by 11 2 is 22. 290, 180. Again it goes 4 4 is 16. 4. It is not possible, student. Sorry. 2 it is. 18, 8. 2 8 is 16. 245. It is 90. So 45 into C, 7, 45 into 7, 315, 315, therefore 11 by 16 radian is equal to 315 divided by 8. So it is in terms of fractions, you have to convert in terms of a degrees, it is degree it is. Now let us see this 315. 315, 8 3s are 24, 7 remain, 8 9s are 72, 8 9s are 72, 3 remains. Let us take the decimal point. Conversion of radian to degree it is 8 3s are 24, 6 remain. 7s are 56, 4 remains. Up to 2 decimal points you should take the students. Up to 2 decimal points. 315 by 8, how much it becomes? 39.37 degree. You can't read like that, 39.37. So you know a whole angle is divided into equal 60 parts. It is the 100 decimal point. So decimal point it is. So therefore you can't read like that it is. That fraction you have to convert in terms of a minutes, in terms of minutes and seconds. See the students. 0.37 minute, sorry, degree. Converting in terms of a minutes by multiplying by 60. By multiplying by 60. Let us simplify. 42, 4 carry, 18, 22. This 0 as it is, 2 decimal point. So again fraction it is. 22.20 again fraction it is. So how much you are getting? 22.20 it is you are getting here. So therefore it is 22 minutes exactly. Are you say like that 3.5 minute? Not possible it is. So 3 minutes in terms of seconds you may say. So 22.20 minute it is. 0.20 minute converting in terms of seconds again by multiplying by 60 it is 12 seconds it is exactly, because of 2 zeros there, 2 decimal point I have given directly. So therefore see the students, what is your answer becomes final answer. Therefore 11 by 16 radian, 11 by 16 radian, it becomes 39 degree, sorry, 39 degree. This 0.37 degree becomes how many seconds? 22 seconds. 22 seconds. 0.20 minute becomes how much it is? 12 seconds. This is the final answer, student. This is the final answer, student. This is your final answer. Minus 4 degree. Minus of 4 degree. So this is the your final answer, student here. Conversion of degree to radian and degree radian to degree. Conversion of degree to radian and radian to degree. This is the 4 radian. 4 radian. Now conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. Here 4 examples we have calculated as students here. Last 3 examples are in terms of fraction angles, pi by 8, 11 by 16, and so this is 11 by 16. It is now, sorry, we'll go for the 4. We'll go for the that 4 radian. Now see the 4 minus 4 radian. Minus of 4 radian. Fourth one, third one we have completed. minus 4 radian. See, whatever it may be, either plus or minus, by multiplying by 180 by pi, you will get in terms of a radian to degree. Minus 4. 180 by pi. Pi has a 22 by 7. Here I am taking directly student, numerator. Simplify if it is possible. Yes, 11. Then it is 9. 90 it is. So 36. 360 into 7. 360 into 7. 0 it is. 2520. 2520 divided by 11 it is. In terms of fractions it is. Let us see here we are converting here. 2520 divided by 11. Let us see here we will divide it according to that your method, division method, and we will write the value here. So how much it is? Minus 4 radian you should need here. Minus of 4 radian. See the student, 2520 by 11. 11, 22, 2. It is 22. Yes. 22. 3 remains. Again 2 it is. 10 remains. 9. 99. 1 remain. If you take decimal point 0, it is again it becomes a 10 here 11. So you should here taking 0 and then taking one more 0 here. 9 it is. Up to 2 decimal point it is enough. 99 it is. So how much we have? We have the 229 degree 09.09. You can't read like that in terms of fractions here. 0.9 here. Let us converting that 0.9 degree converting in terms of a radian it is. Sorry, it is already degree converting in terms of that fraction degree in terms of a minutes it is. 9 6 54. This is 10. How many decimal point? 2 decimal point it is. So therefore 5.40 again fraction minute it is. No problem. What is the fraction minute? 40. This is converting in terms of a seconds again by multiplying by 60. See the students how much you get? 0.40. 0.40 is equal to 0.40 minute is equal to 24. 2 zeros and 2 decimal points. Exactly it is 11. Therefore 0.40 the fraction minute exactly it is a 24 seconds here. Now writing the answer here. Therefore minus 4 radian is equal to 229 degree 5 minutes 5.40 5 minutes. This 0.40 converted in terms of seconds 24 seconds. This is our final answer students. Very simple way you are converting radian to degree, such a fraction angles. These two are the fractions. This one also you have calculated in terms of a fractions. Like that you have to convert the students. Very simple type conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. Let us the same type. I will give the homework students of the both the types, degree to radian and radian to degrees. Let us I will give the homework students here. You should calculate the homework. I think you are getting the students here. Conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. Now see the students. Let us the same type. I will give the homework. Convert the following here. 2 homeworks I will give. Convert the following into radian measure. First I will give radian measure. Let us convert some simple examples. 135 degree in terms of a radian. 135 degree. 15 degree. 75 degree. Very simple examples. 420 degree. Let us see. 22 degree 20 minutes. Fraction also you may take. 2 fractions. and 100 degree 30 minutes. Let us calculate these two also, fractions and 4 simple examples. Such as simple examples you may ask for the examination, conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. Now see the students, convert the following, second type as we have calculated, convert the following into degree measure. Same 6 examples, 4 simple and 4 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 11 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6, 17 pi by 3. These are in terms of radians. Convert these in terms of, 17 pi by 3. 17 pi by 3. Let us convert these 4 simple types and let us see some fractions also. 3 radian and 6 radian. Convert these examples in terms of these 6 in terms of degree measure and these 6 in terms of radian measure. Dear students, try to calculate these homeworks. What I have calculated the last 2 classes. In the previous classes, I have calculated this type of examples, converted in terms of a radian measure. And now today classes I have converted in terms of a degree measure. Very simple. This type of examples will asked in the examination for 1 marks. You know 1 marks question is very important to score 100 marks. To get out of 100 marks, 1 marks questions are very, very important for the point of examinations. Now, let us will go for the sums. Before going to the sums, 2 results we have to take in terms of note. 2 results you should take in terms of note. See the note 1 and note 2, and using that note 1 and note 2, let us will have to calculate some sums, some application type examples here. Now see, radian is a measure of an angle sustained at the center of a circle by an arc of radius is equal to the arc of radius is equal to length of an arc. So length of an arc, angle AOB, this is radius, sustained at this angle here, center it is. Now you know angle AOB is equal to theta radian. Angle AOB is equal to theta radian. Length of an arc is equal to, this AB is the length arc. AB is the length arc. It is denoted by length of an arc. OA and OB are radius. OA and OB are radius. Angle AOB is equal to theta. Here important, here measured in terms of a radian. So here you know length of an arc is equal to the r into theta. Length of an arc is equal to r is equal to theta, where r is the radius of the circle, theta is the angle sustained at the center in terms of radian. So calculating this length of an arc, here I will write where L is length of an arc and r is radius, theta is angle subtended at the center, angle subtended at the center in terms of radians. In terms of radians. So using this result you may calculate length of an arc. When radius and theta is given, you have to convert that theta angle in terms of, if he may give in terms of degree, you may convert in terms of radian and substitute here. Suppose he may give when length of an arc and angle subtended given, you may have to calculate radius. He may give radius and length of an arc, you may have to calculate angle subtended at the center. He may ask in terms of that angle, either in terms of radian and either in terms of degree also. You may have to convert in terms of radians. And one more thing. Second point. These two results you should take directly. No proofs according to the NCERT syllabus. This is sector, area of the sector. This is one part, sector of the circle. Area of sector is equal to note 2. Area of sector is equal to half into r square theta. See the students, area of sector is equal to half into r square theta. Area of the sector of a circle. This is a sector. This area. Finding this area of the sector is equal to half r square theta, where r is the radius of the circle, theta is the angle subtended at the center. Half r square theta. You should remember these two results. Using these two results in the tomorrow's class, you will calculate the sums, application type examples. Sums you will calculate, the students, sir. Let us will calculate sums using these two results. One is length of an arc, L is equal to r theta, and area of the sector is equal to half r square theta. Using these two results, in the tomorrow's class, we will calculate the sums. Here you remember, L is the length of an arc, this length, arc length, r is the radius, theta is the angle subtended in terms of radians. Remember, in terms of radians. In the examples, he may give in terms of degree. You have to convert in terms of radians, and then you have to substitute it. So this is about the two results. The two results of the you should remember, and using these two results we will calculate in the tomorrow class sums. I hope you are getting the students here, and homework given student here, calculate the homework. I hope you are calculate all the homeworks given here. Calculating homework is important, student. Calculating the homework is important. Then only you will get the remaining the portion of this the syllabus, student here. Today I conclude the class. I hope you are getting, and I hope you will calculate the homework also. Let us see the tomorrow class. Thank you, student. Thank you.